What I'm about to explain about soda is not going to be a shocker, as many of you are already aware that soda is not going to be the best consumed beverage you'll ever choose. But to explain to you how it's going to widely impact your eustachian tubes, your sinus health, as well as give you much more symptoms than you can even imagine. Not only is consuming soda going to increase inflammation in the body, it's going to drastically narrow your sinus passages as well as dehydrate you. And of course, with this condition, we need to be well hydrated. Soda has been linked to increased body fat and weight gain, especially around the stomach area. Our stomachs contain two types of fat, including subcutaneous fat and visceral fat. Subcutaneous fat is found under the skin and serves as an important source for regulating temperature, storing energy, and protecting our bones and muscles. When we start getting pain and irritable sensations in our ear, it's no surprise. Our body is fighting off all the toxins we're consuming on a daily basis. And not only that, our blood pressure is spiking. You begin to feel achiness in the joints, muscles become intense, and what makes matters worse is our digestive system is not up to par. We need all our body's functions and vital organs to perform at its best just to heal ETD alone. And guess what? After that, you start feeling tinnitus and ringing in the ears, so your body is basically falling apart. We need to apply nutrients in order to heal from even this condition. That's what makes ETD a very difficult condition to heal from. Your body has to be in place in order to heal at optimal level. So if you're consuming soda on a daily basis, you're actually doing yourself harm and you're increasing the amount of time it takes for your body to heal from this condition. A recent study linked that over 60% of individuals consuming 16 ounces of soda per day were more likely to be depressed and have anxiety. So please do yourself a very vital favor and cut out soda completely, and you'll notice a significant increase in your mood and overall health. I ask you all to subscribe to my channel so you can get the latest greatest health and wellness videos, motivation, yoga, and meditation. But before I let you go, I'd like to leave you with one thing. Being well is feeling well. Feeling well is doing well. Doing well is living well. Take care, everybody. Talk to you soon.